All right, welcome to week three. This week we are dealing with three chapters, or four chapters, I should say. We have chapter 7, Intelligence and National Security. Chapter 8, the role of the military in the policy process. Chapter 9, Planning, Budgeting, and Management. And then chapter 10, putting the pieces together, National Security Decision Making. So there's four chapters. It's a lot of material, but I'm pretty sure we can get through it. The chapters are not terribly long. This week we only have the forum and the quiz, so let's be sure we get that done. And again, remember with the forums, these are 30-point assignments. It's not that hard to earn full credit. You just have to demonstrate you're taking it seriously. A key for me, something I've discovered, is that I tend to give full credit when I see posts that are over 100 words. Typically, I read all the posts in real time whenever I come in. I generally am checking the at a glance link pretty much 3 times a day, sometimes more. Maybe that's obsessive compulsive. I don't know. But in any event, I find in my grading, I have an approach. It's kind of a three-pronged rubric, right? Number one, timeliness. Are you hitting all the timelines that I'm asking? Are you getting your initial post in on time? Is it the correct, is it sufficiently long enough for me to have a sense that you're actually reading and thinking about the material? And then, at least 4 posts, and hopefully more that are distributed, relatively equitably over the course of the week. And a minimum of 50 words, but generally I'm not going to give full credit if you're just doing 50, 60-word responses. I want to see 100-word responses because I want it. And again, that whole idea of substantiveness, right? Are you drawing on current events to play with the ideas that we're reading about in the text? Are you demonstrating that you really understand some of the challenges related both to having adequate protection, adequate national security versus adequate democracy? We seem to be falling down in one of those areas. So let's have a great week this week. We don't have too much in the way of work to do, but remember there's a midterm on the horizon. There's a lot of ground that you're going to be responsible for. So let's start getting to work and prepping on that. And study as a group if you can. I know a lot of you are in the dorms. Get together, study. Group work is good. Let's have a great week.